Let's see another example. I'm at this street and I see a sign that says no parking from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Saturday, except permit C. Okay, I'm gonna check the rest of the street to see if we have the same regulation. So it's the same. We need to check all the streets because there might be some spot for handicapped or several spots where there is no parking. So I need to check all the street. All right. Since I have the same regulations all along the block, I can just edit this segment. I'm adding a no parking regulation from Monday through Saturday, so I'm removing Sunday. It applies every week from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and permit C is exempted. Here it is. In case I don't find the permit I need in this list here, I can add it using a tool. Here it is. So if I'm in Los Angeles, for example, I'm gonna write the city name here and select the right city. And I'm gonna write the permit name here. So here it says this permit occurred one time. So we already have this permit in the database. Let's say I wanna add permit D. So for example, we don't have the permit D. If I wanna add it, I'll just click on submit and it will be added. See another example. Now I'm in the street where there is no parking Friday from 8 to 11 a.m. for street cleaning. So this red curb spot is a no parking spot, and next to it I have a garage entrance. So there is no parking here as well. I'm adding this first. Here I have the street cleaning again. Well, if I find street cleaning at for some hours, it is usually the same all along the street for the same side. Like if I have street cleaning Friday on this side, I'm also going to find it on Friday on this side for all these streets. Same thing here. and I have some no parking spots here. So I'll add this regulation. It's 8 to 11 a.m. Friday. You can see a yellow curve here. So this yellow curve is a loading zone, and parking is not allowed here as well. So the segments I'm gonna draw for street cleaning, and it's right in here. So it is a street cleaning from 8 to 11 Friday. And it repeats every week and every day of the year. And I have this no parking section here. And then I have a spot here with street cleaning regulation. This is where I'm gonna need the ID to copy the regulation. So it's copied. And I have another no parking spot. These are like two spots. So if we have more than one spot where there is no parking, we should add it. And again, I have street cleaning here. So I'm adding it. So this is how we add the parking rules for streets, whether they are street cleaning, no parking, time limit,